Paying AP bills. We're going to process an AP bill payment to a supplier. To complete this process, we'll first create a payment document, which is the check. Then process the payment by printing the check. And finally, release the check payment. To begin with, go to Payables and click the New button beside Checks and Payments to create a new record. By default, the system opens Payment as the document type. From the list, select the supplier for which this payment document will be created. Check is automatically inserted as the payment method. Note that the cash account field is also filled automatically. You can change the payment method as per your requirement. However, make sure that mandatory fields are filled. In this example, we will continue with check as the payment method. Type in the amount for this check and add a description for this transaction. Then, on the Documents to Apply tab, click the Add Row icon. In the added row, bill is added as the document type. In the reference number field, search for the bill with the correct amount. Now, click the Remove Hold button. Notice that the status of the check changes to Pending Print. This means the check is now ready for printing, which is our second step. To print the check, click the Print Process button. The system navigates to the Process Payments Print Checks form. Review the details of the check and click the Process button to proceed. The system opens a separate browser tab showing the printable version of the check. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll not actually print the check, and note that the form changes to Release Payment. On the Release Payments form, click the Process button. A pop-up will appear confirming that the process has been completed. Open the Checks and Payments form. The newly processed check should appear as the top record and have the closed status. Let's check the generated batch number. On the Application History tab, click the Batch Number field to review the batch generated by the system. This opens the Journal Transactions form, where you can review the details of the batch.